uh, we can't make the rating agency accountable for these things. There's a reason behind this. They rate the agency based on some input given by the beneficiary or by the company or the vendor whom so they are rating. There are chances that the company may hide some data also. There are almost many risks involved in the business of rating. There is a management risk, there is a financial risk, there is an industry risk, there is a business risk, and there is an operational risk. So a lot of risks are involved in these things. And if the company itself become the promoter, itself become a um, fraudster, then it is very difficult for the rating agencies to give. They have some hypothesis based on this. There are multiple pitfalls in the rating part also. I can give you some pitfalls which I have seen in the rating, which I just noted down. See, the credit ratings are based on the past performance. Future aspect is also taken up when you are doing the industry scenario, but mostly it is based on the past data. And the data is not revived at a very high frequency. Mostly these are not very dynamic reports generated by the things. The time of the report is generated and subsequent report in between something goes wrong, you don't know anything about what has happened in between. Secondly, the malicious intention of the borrower, the credit agency cannot predict anything if there are the malicious intention of the borrower is there. Third thing, this all rating is for the instrument, not of the company, whatever you're doing it. Basically it's of the instrument. So probably you one instrument is good but other instrument may go wrong. So this is also one pitfall in the rating part. That is why what Gupta ji, what is happening right now,
So,
even though the rating agencies are there, all the investors in the market and all the financial institutions, they have their own rating department inside it. Beside the external rating, they view the project based on their own internal intelligence and resource and wisdom, they prudence they have at their department. Multiple things we take care of. We have, as a banker, we have devised our own rating tools. With the help of rating agency only we have done it. Probably ICRA has helped us in designing our internal rating module. So what we have done, apart from what you are taking considering for this, we have taken multiple more factors because we have privy of more data than the credit agencies have the data. We
so,
have third party information. We have online information about his transactions, his ratios. We have a detailed information. Probably you will not be able to, because you will be able to evaluate their financial ratios bank on you the balance sheets. The balance sheet doesn't always tells truth to you. It's a very dicey subject because it gives the data of only one day. You do not have the data whole day. But since I am looking at the transaction part of the account, I have lots of other data which you are not privy to that. So we are taking those data for us, and for our internal rating purposes, all our interest rates are not based on the external rating. It is based on the internal rating of the instruments. So lots of things are there. Then, so, and another very important thing which I should not tell you, but it may happen. Sometimes the borrower may influence the rating agencies or the an analyst also. This is also we have seen it. This is of the pitfalls in the rating portfolio. And as a financial institution, we do honor the rating, but we also keep a very close eye on the rating part. And we do not 100%ly believe on the rating part. We have our own internal tools to rate it, and then we'll see. We have seen lots of pitfalls, lot of blunders happen in the rating part. Wellman Brothers, DHFL, Religare, Reliance, name anything. They were AAA, and now they are immediately within a period of 15, 20 days, they become D-rated agency. So there is no issue on that part. I am not giving discredit to the rating agencies, but they have their own system to work out. You cannot draw information from some other planet. The information has to come from the ecosystem. It has to come from the borrower. It has to come from the financial institution. You cannot draw information in any of the party which from where you are drawing the information for a rating. if they goes wrong or they hide some information or they give you some different information, then the rating agency may go down. So these are the some pitfall, Gupta ji. So I think we can't make them accountable for the rating. This is my personal view. They are like an advisors to us, like advocates or doctors. We cannot make them accountable. Similarly, rating agencies, you can't make it. SEBI is trying to find out some ways how to make them accountable for investor decision, but that's okay. But this is my personal view. I'm